part of understanding forgiveness, which is an important part of agape, that's Jesus of Nazareth. Forgiveness isn't like mercy. I let you off the hook. Forgiveness is, I'm giving you the chance to enter into a relationship with me, and even giving myself to enter in a chance into a relationship with you before it has been earned. Because something has happened that I can't earn it until, like, I'm in a catch-22. Unless you give me the chance to enter into the relationship, I can't do the things that will allow me to re-earn your trust.
Right.
And so you need to give me that, right? You need to forgive. I'm playing with the word a little bit, right? You need to forgive and make so that we're not bound in reciprocal narrowing. So there's a chance for reciprocal opening. I think we've lost the commitment to that. America used to, I mean, I'm a Canadian and I only get it through the media, popular media, but America used to be a place, at least it seemed to me, where people were initially given the benefit of the doubt because you were all Americans and you all believed in democracy. As far as I can tell now, I mean, there's research to show this, Republicans are more afraid of Democrats than they are of China and vice versa, right? And nobody believes in democracy anymore. Everybody's convinced on both sides, I'm in this to win, not to make America better, right? And so, I mean,
That's
I
a great
hesitate.
point.
Well, you're an American, and I'm glad you're nodding to that because I feel a little bit weird here commenting.
No, well, I think that's a great point. I hadn't really thought about that. Everybody's in it to win. They're not in it for how do we get out of this? How do we get to a better place?
How can we all get to a place together that we could not possibly get to on our own? That was the proposal of democracy.
Yeah.
The proposal of democracy is we will all engage in self-deception, but but if you have a different point of view and I'm willing to enter into genuine dialogos with you, you can help me correct mine and I can help you correct yours.
Yeah.
And we can get to a place together that we couldn't get to on our own. That is the great promise of democracy. It's also the great promise of science. John Dewey, one of your great philosophers, said those two, when they're both working, they work together profoundly. That's what America was. Well, at least to my mind.
Yeah. And did he do the Dewey Decimal System?
Yes, that's that John Dewey.
I knew it, dude. I knew he freaking did it. God, I can't believe some weirdo would do that, but I'm grateful he did it
Yeah, me too.
because I needed to get those books.